New OPPO flagship Hasselblad. It's a completely brand new design. Fingerprint sensor, and we do have 120 Hz with a beautiful, wow, such a smooth experience. This is a Chinese version, so what's the difference? The difference is that on the left we don't have a Google News, but some kind of widgets which you can customize if you wanted to. And Google News you will have in the app. Well, just like that. Look how smooth that is. Wow. Oh, one of my videos. That's super cool. This is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400, 5900 silicon battery, 12GB of RAM, 50/50 camera and 80W charging, 50 wireless. Going to the benchmark, we greeted with 2,620 points. That's a lot. And a storage test, 248,000, which is really good. Antutu, that's 2,800 for 8,700. So for the single to the Galaxy S24, there's a quite difference, and in the multi, significant difference. It is also very close to the latest Snapdragon Elite, a little less, a bit close. Gaming is with a 60 frames per second. Wow, that is super impressive. And it all smooth. Wow, such a smooth gaming. Holding 60 frames per second is super cool. Even with all kinds of action. That is super nice. Let me leave that logo. Woo! Action! Wow! And with the camera, you have that slider on the top, which you can slide. And if you press, you can take a photo. If you hold, you will take tons of photos. Can you do it with one hand?
I'm going to record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate. It will quite quickly. Wow, wide angle. Great for vlogging. Autofocus? Not available. With the wide angle lens, we do have a macro. So all kinds of details, all kinds. Vlogging style. Switching to the main lens. The autofocus is fairly quick. Again, vlogging style. That slider is on the way. Because when I'm holding the smartphone, I could touch it. Do I? Oh yeah. I guess then you have to learn how to hold that new OPPO. And the telephoto. All the way to 18x.
I feel the magic when we touch. Yeah, still get that first time feeling rush. She's laid back and casual. A real homebody, it's wonderful. Yeah. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul. Heart of gold. Beautiful soul. Always got my beautiful soul. Heart of gold. Beautiful soul. She's one of a kind, hard to find. Straight up, that girl's a dime, so divine. Got my mind made up. Oh, what she saw in me, I'll never understand. She wanted all of me, now I'm a lucky man. Oh, yeah. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.
And with the AI edit, for example, eraser, we don't want that. All right. And it should go fairly quickly. Well, my camera is getting everything. Wow, it is gone. Huh? With the shadow still on. How cool is that? VoLTE Wi-Fi calling and 5G network is of course available. Case is included, which will protect the camera and the screen. Look themes are available, always on display. Wallpapers, couple of them are super fancy, like this one, or this one, or this one. Wow. Dedicated wallpapers, such a beautiful wallpapers. And you can download way more. Live one. Battery. And with the battery life, it's easy 2 days. Okay, my usage is completely different than any other user because I'm only downloading benchmarks, benchmarking and gaming in the camera, but 2 days, that's easy. Conclusion, OPPO still feels like a jewelry, and I like that a lot because every bit of software is heavily tuned for this smartphone. That really blew my mind. You know what's also cool? That slider, even when the smartphone is off, you tap it twice and it will switch on the camera, and then if you hold it, it will take all kinds of pictures. If you don't want that sound, all you need to do is just slide that physical button and then take photos in silence. Maybe that's great for the private investigator. And yeah, I like that. I like the software. I like the design. It's not too heavy. It doesn't have 2 periscopes like in the previous model, but that's okay. It's still really good. Is it better than OnePlus? Hard to say. Which one is better? Personally, I prefer OPPO because of the software and that jewelry feel. I like that kind of stuff. And that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. Oh, and link in the description if you want that device for a better price.